not I get customers, but my revenue is still low. What am I doing wrong? I tell you might have to do what is called price restructuring. You might have to restructure your pricing. And I said that in that session, I said that a lot of you need to go and go and study what is called costing. You need to go and learn how to cost. You buy something for 3 naira or you buy something for $3. For you to be in business, it is I learned this from the founder of Fubu. He said that you need to understand one of the margin strategy is called keystone plus one. Keystone plus one. You have to know, okay, this is what I bought it, this is what I can sell it at. If I'm not selling it at that price, I'm not in business. So I see a lot of people, as a matter of fact, one of my protege in real estate came to my office one day, and guess what? He was buying the land, was buying land for 700 per plot, and he was selling it for no, he was he bought the land for 700 and was selling it for 1.3, 1.4, and she felt she was in profit, you know. And she's been in business for more than 5 years. You can imagine. So she's been struggling. She would launch a project, she's not profitable. She can never be profitable because she does not know costing. And I think that is where a lot of business owners are really shooting themselves. So if you're not in that session, you want to go watch it. I don't want to take us through the beginning. Just go watch it in the university and you're good to go.